répondre à vos questions. La Société des traversiers du Québec vous souhaite une belle traversée. Ladies and gentlemen, the captain and his...
Hello my friends, welcome to uCANall channel. It's a channel about life in Canada and about travel. And today we're exploring, this is day 3, we're exploring Quebec City. This is Old Quebec City around me. This is some secret square where you can explore. You can find this secret square just 1 minute to the left side from the Notre-Dame de Quebec, which I'm going to show you in this video. And yeah guys, so for today's plan actually we're going to try some onion soup in some local pub in here, try some local beer and enjoy some food. And by the way, if you didn't know, so this is day 3 and I have a bunch of another video about my experience of exploring the Quebec City, which actually already you can find on my channel, like waterfalls, all this Quebec, Old Quebec area, Ferry, where you can enjoy this beautiful city from the riverside. And yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this one and stay tuned.
Watches the breeze, burns gold and smoke that you've stolen. Feels like it's my fortune that you're folding. I'm swimming with the sharks. I'm swimming with the sharks. I can't tell you apart from them. You can't tell either. Will we love or fall in deeper? Tell me, darling, what is it you want? How the mind doesn't work like it used to. As I know I remain a danger to me, to you. Growing altered by the moment, dear, and as the days turn idle, sweet on survival. I'm on fire, waiting your arrival. I never expect to be sane without it. All you could ask for never made its way into your eyes. Cold in the water, cold unless you're keeping a disguise. I'm swimming with the sharks. I'm swimming with the sharks. It's out of my control. You set the play in motion. Couldn't be a bigger ocean. Tell me, darling, is this what you want? Oh, and all you could ask for never made its way into your eyes. Cold in the water, cold unless you're keeping a disguise. All you could ask for never made its way into your eyes. So very clever, leaving me to wonder what you hide.
Guys, another great spot to visit, this is Notre-Dame de Quebec. In Montreal they have Notre-Dame de Paris, and in here actually also so beautiful place to visit, especially if you're a huge believer. So this place must have to see, and I believe you know this even better than me. guys trying to find some Christmas mood in here. This is actually working like annually, and you can find this store. This is like so much nice toys what you can actually use on your Christmas tree. And this is almost summertime, and I'm going to buy something for Christmas time. Why not? Especially at some huge discount right now. I believe like about 50%. Another good place to visit, guys. Okay folks, if you think it's going to be easy to make a choice in here, so think twice before even thinking to go to this store. But if you're good in making decisions, so probably it's a good idea to explore this one and buy something. We already spent like maybe 30 minutes here. Okay, folks, I'm wrapping up actually my clip in here. Thank you so much for watching this one. Just want to mention about this place, this pub. Actually, it was like not a French pub, because usually a pub, if you say a pub, you trying to imagine some England, and exactly this pub was about more like England vibes, but with a French soup. Like this one with onion soup. This is pretty famous in France if you're going to visit. So I didn't try it in France, as well as I didn't visit France. But this onion soup, guys, it was such an awesome one, and you know, like it was enough to get me full. And like just one beers, one APA, and it was pretty much enough to get me full. It was so tasty. Like inside it was some bread, inside with this soup, a bunch of cheese, and I believe it was baked, you know, in the oven. And it was so much delicious, guys. The price was for all my family with the French fries, just about maybe like $60 with tips, of course. Usually it's about at least 20% tips. So yeah, guys, I'm wrapping up. This is last evening in Quebec City. This is Old Quebec City around me. This is so much beautiful place to explore if you're trying to catch as me some Europe vibes. So this is must have to visit, because it's not just like Europe vibes. This is true Europe in here, and it would be awesome to have something like some expansion, you know, like around this area, not only on Old Quebec, but maybe in another shore, to see something like this, you know, to some like architecture style like this in here. But mostly it's about only like Old Quebec part. If you're going to drive from here, like maybe like just 10 minutes away, you will not feel the same Old Quebec style, you know, because it's actually more like Canadian, just maybe like 10 minutes away from here. So but in here, this is pretty huge, absolutely enough to enjoy this vibe. And yeah, guys, just don't sit at home, explore, and this is going to be interesting one. So don't forget to check another videos on my channel about this Quebec City exploring, about Montreal. I got a bunch of videos on my channel already, and yeah, guys, I will try to catch you in the next one. Don't forget, never stop being exploring, and okay, peace out, bye 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 bye.
If so, but that's the way it is. His body's too old for it. Body's too young to collide. His mama went off and let somebody's gotta take care of him. So I quit school and that's what I did. We gotta make a decision. Leave tonight or let him die this way. And I work in a market, such a cow girl. I know things will get better. You find work and I'll get promoted. We move out, the feeling that I could be someone, be someone, be someone. Construction, rush through barricades, levitate, got it tatted on me.
told them follow me. They see the vision, now it's 2020. Clear as tile, Lexus, clear as day. No longer move around in fear, disarray. Pray you hear me like the winter wind against your window pane.